I am a motivational speaker stuck in the body of an ads manager. See, you can teach people a technical skill as I teach women how to become ads managers. Now, I've got all kinds of videos on the strategy, how to do it, the exact process, all the templates. But here's the funny thing, when I first started teaching this, it only took me a matter of a couple of months before I realized that I could teach these women all these skills, and if they didn't have this one core thing, no matter what they learned or how good they became at it, they wouldn't be able to succeed. And that thing is mindset. And what I mean when I say mindset is the tools and the mental ability to come up against tough thoughts and to believe in yourself. And to learn the skill of how to turn a negative thought into a learning experience or an empowering thought. How to be kinder to yourself. That is just as important as your skill level.